Well, Abafet, welcome back to Chef the Soul TV News. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to also comment on the section down below. So, it's Sunday. It is Sunday. Talking about Big Brother Season 5 finale. No, my final. Final. But finale. Okay, season 5 titled Umlilo is happening njengoba kumhla ka-23 2025. The remaining 5 contestants akhona la Big Brother house are still there. Bamincile ke manje ke bamincele ke yona le prize ke ka 2 million i-grand prize bafowethu. So umuntu ozowina la ngempela ke uzoba rich ngenye ke indlela. La khona ke uJojo, khona uNtsuku, khona uSweet Guluva uyona favorite yabantu at this moment. Compete futhi no Uyanda. Yabo, they are all vying for 2 million rand. 2 million mfethu ungenzani ngo 2 million? Ungawenzani 2 million? Right, each of them has brought unique strategies and personalities to the game, making it an intense and unpredictable showdown. But then again, is it unpredictable? Still, is it unpredictable? Well, now it's predictable now. Mina ngokwami it's predictable bafethu. We all know between Uyanda no Sweet Guluva, because ke indlela abakhankaselwe ngayo labantu ke was unimaginable. So bafethu ke as we speaking, wena ngokwakho bafethu la uhleli khona njengamanje ke who are you rooting for? Are you rooting for to take the crown? Ubani ucabanga ukuthi ke uzokwazi ngempela ke ukuthi agcine ke eyithathile ke crown le ubani futhi ubani, who are you rooting for to take the crown? Ubani ucabanga kanjani ukuthi ke ngempela right bafethu. Asilinde sibone Sunday Sunday ziyakhipha, or you will just wait for ubone ukuthi ke idrama ngempela ke zikhiphane ke uma ke usubona nawe ufuna kube yi-surprise, awufuni ukulokhu uqagela ukuthi hayi ufuna kube yi-surprise. Anyways bafethu, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and also do comment on the section down below. Danko.